what's up, guys? Hope everybody's doing well and having a great day. I found my voice. It finally came back after all these days. I wanted to talk about in this video something I've been keeping a close eye on the last few days, is this excessive amount of rainfall that's occurring along the west coast of the United States, especially in California, and we could see something occur exactly on the 5-year anniversary of it occurring back in 2018. And we saw the situation being set up just kind of like it is right now. The stage, like back in 2018, is being set up once again for the possibility of landslides along the coast of California. So here we go. I want to give you guys an update on the timing of this. This could fall almost exactly to the day, January 9th of 2018 is when the last big one occurred down in Montecito, California. Do you guys remember this back in 2018? I remember it, and it seems like it happened just yesterday. I remember looking at ventusky.com, and I was looking at the Futurecast, and I noticed something off the coast of California, and it was in January, and it looked like a rainstorm that could possibly move inland and drop about 4 inches of rain in a short period of time over the Santa Barbara, California area. And the storm system looked like it was going to verify. So I did a video about it. Once again, this is like 5 years ago, and expressed my concern about the recent wildfires that had been in this area, and there wasn't going to be any vegetation on these hillsides to kind of hold the water back. And if indeed 4 inches of rain fell in a very short period of time, it could create landslides or mudslides. And unfortunately, that weather forecast did verify, and you can see these slopes over here are still dark. Those are from wildfires. That's why they're black or dark gray. That's because there's no vegetation on these hillsides. It's all gone from the wildfires. And enough rain accumulated on those hillsides that triggered a mudslide that went right into Montecito, California, and that occurred on January the 9th of 2018. So this could, hopefully it won't, but it could happen again on January the 9th, because conditions are going to be favorable, especially around the 9th. As you're looking at a map over here at ventusky.com, here are some of the rainfall totals that are being forecasted for parts of California, and these are forecasts. They can and will change. Along the coast of California, you can see 13, 14, 15 inches. That would be south of Soledad and north of Santa Maria. We're going to get down into the Santa Barbara area here in just a few minutes, as they're expected to see some more of this rain here in the coming days. As this isn't going anywhere. In fact, this rain is going to intensify over the next few days. It's not going to go away. It's going to get stronger, as this atmospheric river has been in place for a while. This is a screen grab that I took showing the mechanics of the atmospheric river up here in the top half of this photo, and down here is the moisture that the atmospheric river is carrying directly into California, which in some ways it's good because it's helping with the drought that they've been dealing with over there. But this is going to be a lot of rain for the land over here to manage, especially in areas that have seen wildfires here recently. This is the Montecito region. This is where the mudslide occurred back in 2018, and the water had nothing holding it back, and it just came right down into the community, bringing large boulders and of course mud, and you guys know the rest of the story. Again, all you've got to do is Google 2018 Southern California mud flows or Montecito mudslides, and it will take you back to January the 9th of 2018. And again, the situation this time is even considerably stronger with regard to potential rainfall totals. I want to take you guys back over to ventusky.com. The rainfall totals that we're looking at right now, up in the San Jose area, 7, possibly 8 inches of rain before it's all said and done. It's raining right now up in the San Francisco area, looking at 3, 4, 5 inches of rain, 6 inches of rain. Over here, the dark burgundies in the Sierra Nevadas, 7, 8 inches of rain covering a wide area. And then down here, just north of Santa Maria, between Santa Cruz and Santa Maria, this area here could see well over a foot of rain if this verifies. And more than likely it will. Some areas 8, 10, 11. Do you see the numbers right there? 12, 13. One area showing 15. And these areas here with these large rainfall totals, we'll probably see some sort of mudslides in those areas. This is in the next 24 to 48 hours. If we step it ahead another day, you're going to see the rain move southward. There's the rainfall totals in this area staying about the same, around 14, 15, 12, 13. So more than likely it's going to slow down a little bit there. But you can see down here in the Santa Barbara region, the rainfall totals will increase exponentially, going from yesterday's totals of around 1 inch up to 6 inches in the Santa Barbara area. And that would be the same exact area that saw the mudslides back in 2018. And that would fall almost exactly on the anniversary of the 2018 mudslides that created a lot of issues in the Montecito area. Only difference is this would be on the 10th. They're showing the possibility of 5-6 inches of rain in the Montecito area. Right there's Montecito showing 5.2 inches of rain coming in at a pretty good pace, coming down in less than 24 hours. So once again, this whole area here looking at 5-6 inches of rain could be susceptible to mudslides here in the coming days. And that map over here at ventusky.com is January the 10th of 2023 at 11 p.m., showing possible rainfall totals of up to 6 inches of rain in the Montecito area, Santa Barbara County, right there in that dark burgundy area. A lot of rain up the coast, over in the Sierra Nevadas. This is a big deal, and it's going to continue on past the 10th. It's going to continue on into the 11th. It's going to last into the 12th. There's going to be a lot of rain. Look at the rainfall totals now. Over 8 inches of rain in the Santa Barbara area, and this is on the 11th, a day later. So the rainfall is going to continue over a wide area in parts of central, south central, and northern California. This is a large-scale event that could create some large-scale issues along the coast of California, so be prepared, especially if you live in the Montecito area, Santa Barbara County, all up and down the coast in the San Jose area, Sacramento, Redding. You can see the dark burgundies. Those are multiple inches of rain from these persistent atmospheric rivers that are really just getting started. They're going to get stronger than they have been in the last few days. We're going to see rainfall totals grow exponentially between now and the next 5 days. So big heads up, guys, if you're in these areas. And last but certainly not least, I wanted to share a small video that was sent in by Rebecca, who was looking at radar off the coast of California and couldn't help but notice these rings, what looked like some sort of an anomaly off the coast of Santa Rosa, San Francisco. See that right there? That's way out off the coast above the ocean there. I don't know if that's just some sort of a processing glitch that may not even actually be there in the sky. That's just showing up on the radar as some sort of what looks like a pinwheel or rings in the sky. The clouds may not necessarily be like that, but the radar is showing up like that for some strange reason. And she happened to notice it, sharing it with me, and I'm simply sharing it with you guys. Once again, Rebecca noticed that back on January the 4th. So once again, big heads up if you're along the coast of California. Major rain's going to continue for the next several days. Thanks for watching. Have a super day and be safe out there.